Hey developers! In this video, I am going to show you how to handle a React Native navigation installation error. I encountered this error and I want to demonstrate how I fixed it. Before I debug this error, I want to first show you what is causing it. So I'll install the React Native navigation package first. And then, as the documentation says, I install the other two packages. After the installation finishes, I try to start the emulator. I encountered an error that complained about not being able to create a task, which was caused by the React Native Safe Area Context package I had just installed. To solve this error, we need to go inside Android folder and open build.gradle file. In ext class, we need to add Kotlin version number. I added the latest released version, which is 1.9.0. In the dependencies class, we need to add a class path. This is in response to the error we saw in the line just before, which stated, no enum constant kotlinVersion.plugin. After changing the build.gradle file, I'm trying to start emulator again. By the way, if you want to copy the code I wrote, I've added it in the description below. And as you see, our create task error is fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.